Roger, Mars Explorer 1.
But as the Russian space station Mir revealed, the greatest risk to the crew on the long voyage to Mars may be weightlessness. Our bones and muscles are only as strong as they need to be. In space, with no gravity to tug on the human body, bones lose calcium and muscles lose strength. In 1995, the United States began sending astronauts to the Mir to see how the Russians managed to stay in space for a year or more. Astronaut Shannon Lucid broke the American record, 6 months. Astronaut Norman Thagard spent 4 months on Mir, with the Russians a likely partner on the mission to Mars. Thagard collected detailed information on his body's reaction to zero gravity, but mostly he tested Russian techniques for counteracting the effects of weightlessness.
The Russians have a lot of experience in long-duration spaceflight, and they realize that if you don't exercise diligently when you're on these long-duration missions, then you won't be in good shape when you return. Toward that end, the Russians schedule 2 one-hour exercise sessions a day.
The goal of these exercises is to subject bones and muscles to the same forces and stresses they would get on Earth, so that they can remain tuned for Earth's gravity.
Knowing as I did, because I am a medical doctor, that I would quickly get out of shape if I didn't exercise, I was extremely diligent in exercise for the whole while I was on the Mir station.
When Thagard returned, everyone was eager to see if his exercising had paid off.
When we landed, within 10 minutes of wheel stop, I stood up. Wasn't the easiest thing I ever did, but I did stand up, and I remained standing until they opened the doors and got everybody out ahead of me, and then I walked off the vehicle unassisted.